Wiper blades are one of those things you don't really think about until suddenly they're all you're thinking about. Peak Silicone Plus premium hybrid wiper blades with infused water repellent technology are built to put your mind and windshield at ease because they're engineered to last 4 times longer than standard blades while delivering complete visibility. We're talking 2 million problem-free wipes. Even more impressive than how long Peak Silicone Plus wiper blades perform is how well they perform in every season due to their tri-layer wiping technology. Layer 1, an infused water-repellent silicone compound that provides 4 times the durability of standard blades. Layer 2, an advanced coating that enhances durability while providing a smooth glide. Layer 3, a water-repellent formula that coats your windshield as it wipes, so water just beads away. Further ensuring a clean wipe is the blade's hybrid design, which features a spoiler that provides downforce for full windshield contact. What more could you want from a wiper blade? An easy snap universal connector system for quick and easy installation, and blades available in lengths of 13 to 28 inches? Done. Peak Silicone Plus wiper blades. Performance you can see.